Did you know that the average person spends over 151 minutes per day on social media? This means that individuals dedicate more than 151 minutes on their daily time to engaging with social media platforms. This statistic implies that social media has become a significant part of many people's lives and that it occupies a considerable portion of their daily routine. The average time spent on social media can vary across different regions, age groups, and demographics. The figure of 151 minutes per day suggests that, on average, individuals spend approximately 2.5 hours engaging with social media content and participating in online social activities. Damn, 2.5 hours. Alright, it's important to note that the statistic is subject to change over time due to evolving user behaviors and the introduction of new platforms. It is also worth considering that the time spent on social media can vary significantly from person to person. Some individuals may spend more time on social media, while others may spend less time on social media. This statistic highlights the growing influence of social media in modern society and its impact on how people communicate, share information, consume content, and interact with each other. It also underscores the potential implications, both positive and negative, that excessive social media usage can have on individuals' well-being, productivity, and the overall lifestyle. Social media has become an integral part of our lives. It helps us stay connected with friends and family who live both far and near. We can use it to share photos, videos, and updates about our lives. Social media can also help us stay informed about latest news and trends. We can follow news organizations, celebrities, and thought leaders to get the latest information. Social media can also be used in a great way to express ourselves and also to share our thoughts and feelings with the world. We can use it to share our creativity, our opinions, and our experiences. Social media can be a great way for businesses to connect with customers and to promote their products and services. Businesses can use social media to run ads, that is advertisements, generate leads, and also build brand awareness. These are all the advantages or pros of social media. But what are the consequences of spending so much time on social media? The first point is that social media can be addictive. We can get caught up in the constant stream of updates, and we can also start to feel like we need to be on social media all the time. Now, social media can be a privacy risk. We share a lot of personal information on social media, and this information can be used by businesses and other organizations to track us and target us with advertising. Social media can be a distraction. We can get so caught up in checking our social media feeds that we forget to focus on the things that are important in our actual real lives. Comparison. Social media can make us feel like we are not good enough. We see other people's highlight reels, pictures, or photos, and then we start to compare our lives to theirs. This can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. It is important to be aware of both the pros and the cons, or let me say advantages and disadvantages of the social media before we use it. We should use social media in a way that is healthy and productive, and we should be mindful of the potential risks, whatever. With all these being said, it is important that I share with you some tips of using social media in a healthy way. The first point is to set limits on how much time you spend on social media each and every day. We should also take breaks from on social media throughout the day. You should be mindful of the information you share on social media. You shouldn't share anything that you wouldn't want everyone to see or to know. You should also be selective about who you follow on social media. Only follow people who make you feel good. Don't compare your life to the lives of others on social media. Everyone is different and everyone has their own unique journey. My last point is, if you find that social media is having a negative impact on your life, on your mental health, take a break from it. There are plenty of other ways you can stay connected and informed. This brings us to the end of this video. If you are not subscribed yet, I would kindly ask you to hit the subscribe button